TechnoGimp. Select Me. Teach. Select Me. Software demo. Learners select specific parts of an image using different advanced selection tools. List of topics. Using advanced selection tools. Cutting objects from the background. Materials. Computer. TechnoGimp workbook, pages 163 to 172. What are the limitations of the rectangle select tool and ellipse select tool? Free select tool. The free select tool or lasso tool lets you create a selection using the cursor. You can also create a selection by connecting the points to each other. To use this tool, go to the toolbox and click on the free select tool or press the shortcut key F. Step 1. Open the image file, objects.jpg. Use the free select tool to trace the corners of the phone in the image. Step 2. Create a selection by connecting one point to another. Close the selection by connecting the last point to the origin point. Step 3. When the last point meets the origin point, it must turn yellow to indicate that you can now close the selection. Step 4. After connecting the last and origin points, a marching ants border will appear around the object, indicating that a selection has been created. Fuzzy Select Tool. The Fuzzy Select Tool or the Magic Wand tool creates a selection of an object based on color similarity in just one click. To use this tool, go to the toolbox and click on the Fuzzy Select tool or press the shortcut key U. Keep in mind that the performance of the Fuzzy Select tool varies on the pixel color. It is best used when selecting an object with only one color that differs from the background color. Step 1. Open the image file, oranges.jpg. Select the orange slice in the middle using the Fuzzy Select tool. Notice how the orange slice was automatically selected, but the selection was not that clean. To make a precise selection, increase the threshold in the Fuzzy Select or tool options. Step 2. For this example, the value of the threshold was increased from 50 to 150. Notice that the selection made on the same fruit is now more precise. Select by Color tool. The Select by Color tool creates a selection based on color similarity, similar to the Fuzzy Select tool. The difference between the two is the Fuzzy Select tool only selects similar colors connected to the area that was clicked, while the Select by Color tool selects all similar colors in the whole image or canvas. To use this tool, go to the toolbox and click on the Select by Color tool or press the shortcut keys, Shift-O. Step 1. Click on one of the fruits and see how all of them get selected since they all have similar colors. Take note that you may need to adjust the threshold to create precise selections. Paths tool. The Paths tool or Scissors Select tool is a selection tool that allows you to create complex curves called Bezier curves. You can easily edit, move, and save the paths that you have created using this tool. To use this tool, go to the toolbox and click on the Paths tool or press the shortcut key B. Step 1. Open the image file, objects.jpg. Create multiple points to begin selecting the shirt in the image. Step 2. Close the selection by connecting the last point to the origin point. To do this, Press the Control key and click on the origin point when the two overlapping circles appear in the cursor. Step 3. Then, right-click inside the outline that you have made and click on Select. From Path or press Shift-V. Step 4. A marching ants border will then appear around the object, indicating that a selection has been created. Cutting an image in GIMP. Using the Paths tool, you can cut an object from its background. Cutting an object from its background allows you to place it on a different background or save it in PNG format with transparent background. Step 1. Open the image file, car.jpg. Step 2. Before cutting the car from its background, give the image a transparent layer first. To do this, go to the Layers dialog and right-click on the image layer, then select Add Alpha Channel. Step 3. Using the Zoom tool, drag the cursor to the edge of the image you want to cut and create a rectangular shape. This will zoom in on that part of the image. Step 4. Go to the toolbox and select the Paths tool or simply press B. Step 5. There are 3 modes when using the Paths tool. Design allows you to create a new path, Edit allows you to edit a path, and Move allows you to move a path. In the example, Design was selected to create a new path. Step 6. Create points to trace the edges or outline of the car. The connecting points will serve as the tracing outline. If you need to undo an action, just press Ctrl-Z. Step 7. After tracing the whole car, hold the Control key and click on the origin point to close the path. Step 8. After connecting the last point to the origin point, the selection should now look like this. Make sure that no part of the background is included in the selection path. Step 9. Right-click inside the selection and go to Select. From Path or press Shift-V. Step 10. This will create a selection using the path you created. Step 11. Next, delete the background by right-clicking on the selection and going to Select. Invert or by pressing Ctrl-I. Then, press Delete to remove the background. Step 12. The image should look like this after deleting the background. Export the image file as a PNG image to get a transparent background. Processing questions. Which among the advanced selection tools are you going to use frequently? Check your understanding. Each advanced selection tool discussed has its pros and cons. Remember to use the correct selection tool depending on what you want to select. In the next activity, we will master how to select parts of an image and cut it from its background using various advanced selection tools.